Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple but so beautiful pattern. It's so simple, only 4-row repeating, and you can do that easily because we use only double crochet and chains. Not so complicated, but the result is so beautiful. I use here an acrylic yarn, size is 3, use 4mm hook. Now I will show you with cotton yarn. Again, its yarn category is 3 and I will use 4mm hook, but you can use which yarn you want. If you want to make a scarf with this pattern, you need nearly 40 centimeter and the length will be 2 meters nearly. uh, you can use this scarf as a shawl, rectangle shawl, but of course you can make it which size you want. You need for this pattern multiples of 20 plus 5. Okay, so simple. You can do that so fast. I give all the details in the video and I put a diagram this pattern in the video. But if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple rectangle shawl pattern. Let's start to crochet. I use here 65 chains and it's nearly 40 centimeter with my yarn and hook. I use 3 lines with these leaves. If you want more lines, for example 4 or 5, you will add per line 20 chains. Okay, now I will show you 2 lines this pattern. You can add 20 chains, make your more wider your shawl. Okay, first of all, make a slip knot, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Not make your chains so tight. Okay, make them loosey. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. I made here 2 lines chains. Now add here 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over, skip 1 2 3 4, insert into the 5th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have here, I accept them, 2 double crochet, then chain 2 and yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and make here 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Then 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, actually 4 chains here, 4 chains, yarn over, skip 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, insert into the 8th one and make here 3 double crochet. 1, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make 3 double crochet in the 8th stitch. Then 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, skip 1 2 3, insert into the 4th one and make here again 3 double. 1, insert into the same, 2, yarn over, insert into the same, 3. Now 1 2 3 and 4 chains, yarn over, skip again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, insert into the 8th stitch, grab my yarn and make here my shell 2 double, 2 chains, insert into the same and make 2 double. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, again yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, insert into the 8th one and make here 3 double, 3 chains, 3 double, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3 chains, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one and make here 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and finish your pattern with shell. Okay, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, insert into the last stitch the 8th one, make here 2 double, 2 chains and 2 double. This is the first row. Okay, now chain 1 and not count, turn your work, make 1 slip stitch, then make 1 more and come to chain 2 space, chain 3 and count as your first double, yarn over, make here 1 more, 2 double, chain 2 and make here 2 double crochet more, 1 and 2. Now chain 2, yarn over, insert into these 3 double crochets, first double crochet, and increase this 3 to 5. So make here 2 double crochet on the first double crochet. Yarn over, make 1 double crochet, the middle double crochet, make 2 double crochet on the 3rd double crochet, 1 and 2. So I increase these 3 to 5. Chain 2, yarn over, insert into the chain 3 space and make here 1 double crochet. Chain 2 and do the same thing on these 3 double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the first one and make here 2 double. Yarn over, insert into the second one and make 1 double on it. Then yarn over, insert into the 3rd one and make 2 double on it. Chain 2, come to shell, chain 2 space and make your shell, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and make 2 double crochet more. Here. Now do the same thing, chain 2, come to first double crochet of these 3 double crochet and make here 2 double crochet on the first one, 1 and 2. Yarn over, insert into the second and make 1. Yarn over, insert into the 3rd one and make 2, so increase that 3 to 5. Chain 2, yarn over and insert into the chain 3 space, make here double crochet, chain 2, again increase your 3 double to 5 double, insert into the first one and make here 2 double, insert into the second one, make 1 double, insert into the 3rd one and make 2 double. Then chain 2, come to shells, chain 2 space and make here 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. Finish the second row like that. Chain 1 and not count, turn your work, make your 2 slip stitches, 1 and the second one, come to do chain 2 space and make here your shell, chain 3, count as your first double, then make 1 more double, chain 2 and make 2 more double crochet in the chain 2 space. Do the same thing. Chain 2 again. Now we increase 3 to 5. Now we will decrease 5 to 3. Yarn over, insert into the first one, grab my yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the second one, grab my yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over, make 1 double crochet on the third one and crochet these 2 together again and decrease it 1 stitch. Insert the fourth one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the fifth one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. So I decrease it 5 to 3. Chain 2, yarn over. I have here 1 double, I increase that 3. I make here 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, again decrease 5 to 3. Yarn over, insert the first one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over, insert the third one and make 1 double. Yarn over, insert the fourth, pull through 2, insert the fifth, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Decrease 5 to 3. Chain 2, yarn over, come to shells, chain 2 space and make your shell. 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. Chain 2 again, decrease 5 to 3, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over, insert the third one, make your double. Yarn over, insert the fourth one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the fifth one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. 5 to 3. Chain 2, come to previous rows 1 double crochet, increase that 3 double crochet, 1, insert into the same, 2, yarn over, insert into the same, 3. Chain 2, decrease that 5 to 3, 1, next one, 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. The third one, usual double crochet, fourth and the fifth crochet together, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Chain 2 and crochet my last shell in chain 2 space, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. That's the third row. We come to finish it so near. Chain 1 and not count, turn my work, make my 2 slip stitches, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, and make here 1 more, chain 2 and make 2 more double crochet. Do the same thing on the shell every time. This time chain 1, yarn over. I have 3 loops here. I decrease this 3 to 1. Insert the first one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the third one, pull through 2. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3 chains. I have here 3 loops. Insert the yarn over, first one, and make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, yarn over. Skip the second one, insert the third one, make double crochet. Chain 3. I have 3 stitches, decrease it 3 to 1, yarn over, insert the first one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the third one, pull through 2. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. Chain 1, yarn over, come to shell, in chain 2 space make 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. chain 1 again, and decrease this 3 to 1, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the third one, pull through 2. I have 4 loops, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3 chains, insert the first one, make double. 1, 2, 3 chains, skip the second one, insert the third one, make double. 1, 2, 3 chains, come to 3 stitches, decrease to 1, insert the first one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the third one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Chain 1 and make my last shell in chain 2 space. 2 double crochet, chain 2 and make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. This is the 4th row. And now we will turn back to the first row again. I will show you, it's so simple. That's the pattern, it's finished. Chain 1 and not count, make your 2 slip stitches, 1, and come to the chain 2 space and make your shell. 1, 2, 3, count as your first double, make here 1 more double, chain 2 and make 2 double crochet. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over, skip these stitches, come to this 1 double crochet, previous rows here, okay, insert here and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, yarn over, come to second double crochet, insert the top of that and make here 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, skip all the stitches and come to shells chain 2 space and make here 2 double, chain 2 and 2 double. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, skip all the stitches, yarn over, come to double crochet stop and make here 3 double. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 chains, come to other double crochet and increase that 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains this time and come to shells chain 2 space, make here 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. That's the repeating of the first row. After that you will make your shell and increase these 3 to 5 and make here new leaves places, make 1 double crochet, repeat the second row. After decrease 5 to 3, increase this 1 to 3. After that decrease 3 to 1 and make your new leaves double crochets. Always repeat these 4 rows. Which length you want, you can keep crocheted as same as. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. I want to remember that again. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.